Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new on our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the like button. Let's start the video. Today I am going to mention the new features of WhatsApp in 2021. The features of WhatsApp in 2021 is mentioned here. Here are some of the points that you can read out. The first main feature of WhatsApp is that you can read your friend's message without actually making your friend recognizable that you have already seen their message. They will not know that you have already read their messages. Here I have already seen my friend message, but she didn't know that I have already seen it. So it is one of the feature of new WhatsApp in 2021. And another feature of WhatsApp is that you can connect your account in multiple devices. Um, you can go to settings and select the link device, and you can simply connect to the device. For that, you have to open your QR code in other device. Here you have to scan QR code. This is also one of the new feature of WhatsApp 2021. And another feature for WhatsApp in 2021 is that for status, if we have video but doesn't want to upload a video but only sound of it, then we have to do the current method that I am doing now. My WhatsApp doesn't allow video recording with sound, so please do it in your mobile or device. I am doing with photograph right now. Now I am going to teach you how to join a video call and audio call with friends here. And please watch it without missing any part of the video. First of all, you need to install WhatsApp application. If you have already it, then please open it and select the person to whom you want to do video call and audio call. Just select the friends. Simply I am selecting my friends. And I have to give a name to the group. I'm giving the name called We Are Together. And that's it, the group is created. And you can do a audio call and video call. You can see a phone icon and video icon in the right hand side. So simply select a phone icon to call or audio call, and you can terminate the call by clicking the red button. And we can do a video call by pressing a video icon in the right hand side. Now you can get your friends and have a video call with them. And next step is to do audio call. We can also do audio call in a group, and we can terminate the call by pressing a red button. And we can add a new member to the group. For adding new member, we have to go to the group and select add participants and press the person's number or contact, and simply we have that friend. Thank you, friends.